Hello students, good morning. See, this is the topic we will be discussing today, that is properties of lubrication. What are the different properties exhibited by lubricant materials? See, these are the list of properties exhibits lubrication materials, like first one is high boiling point, low freezing point, high viscosity index, thermal stability, corrosion prevention, and high resistance to oxidation. See, one of the single largest application for lubricant in the form of motor oil. See, it is protecting internal combustion engines in motor vehicles and powered equipment. See, last class I already explained what is lubrication, what are the different types of lubrication materials, like solid, liquid, liquid dispersion materials, etc. The main property of lubrication, which is used to reduce the friction between two objects, that is called as lubrication. See, this lubrication exhibits high boiling point. Boiling point is high, and freezing point is low, and high, it exhibits high viscosity index, and thermal stability. When increases temperature, it also increases the thermal stability of the materials. Then corrosion prevention. See, when iron is with the presence of oxygen, iron gets rust. That is the in order to avoid the rusting of the iron, some of the lubrication material like oil is coated with copper vessels, anything, etc. And this is the properties of lubrication. Then what are the functions of lubrication? See, it separates moving parts in a system. When you apply a lubricant, oil, etc., what happens? It separates the moving parts in a system. This has the benefit of reducing friction and surface. It reduces the friction between two surfaces, and together reduce heat generation, it operating noise and vibration. The lubricant to surface friction is much less than surface to surface friction in a system. See, it improves efficiency and reduces the formation of water particles on account of their high specific heat capacity. Both gas and liquid lubricant can transfer more heat and energy. Then lubricant circulation system carry away internally generated debris and get introduced into the system. When lubricant known as hydraulic fluids are used as the working fluid in power transmission, a good quality lubricants formulated with additives that form chemical bonds with surfaces, and it prevents moisture absorbing. That is, see, I already explained what rusting of iron. It prevents the corrosion and rusting. Yet the lubricant will occupy the clearance between moving parts through capillary force, thus sealing the clearance. This cement can be used to seal pistons and stops. This can also be used in piston cylinders in heat generated systems. So these are the properties of lubricants and functions. So what are the functions of lubrications? That is, the properties of lubricants are: one is boiling point, low freezing point, it reduces the corrosion and also reduces the moisture between objects, increases the thermal stability, etc. The main function of lubrication is to reduce the friction between two objects. So this could be asked for 2 marks questions. What are the different properties of lubrication materials? So this is the discussion of today. We will discuss next class, that is cantilever method.